In this video, we will show you how to clean the working chamber of the K5 and K5 Plus on a daily and weekly basis. To avoid breathing difficulties caused by machining residues, wear a face mask of class FFP2 during the entire cleaning. You will find this maintenance task listed as cleaning the working chamber in the maintenance section of Dental CNC. For the daily cleaning, have the following items ready: a vacuum cleaner, a cloth, a brush, and a mild cleaning agent. Move the axes into the cleaning position by selecting the depicted icon in the maintenance section. Open the working chamber door. Notice: never clean the working chamber with compressed air because it will damage your machine. Suck up the coarse dirt in the working chamber with the vacuum cleaner. Suck up the machining residues around the measuring key with a vacuum cleaner. Keep a distance of 3 centimeters. Clean the ionizers with the brush. Open the blank holder. Thoroughly clean the blank holder from all sides with a brush. Especially clean all openings and movable parts of the blank holder. Make sure that the support surface is free of machining residues. Close the blank holder. If your machine is a K5, loosen the 4 screws, turn the fixing ring and lift it off. Clean the blank holder as described before. Once per week, continue with the weekly cleaning of the working chamber. Clean all surfaces and cracks in the working chamber thoroughly with the dry cloth. Use a mild cleaning agent if necessary. Clean the view window with a dry cloth. Use a mild cleaning agent if necessary. Screw the protective cap off the webcam. Clean the webcam with a wet cloth. Screw on the protective cap. Close the working chamber door. Once you have finished cleaning the working chamber, you should mark the corresponding task as complete in the maintenance section. Cleaning the working chamber. This will keep your list up to date. For a web version of the complete operating instructions, visit dentalportal.info/K5 or dentalportal.info/K5 Plus. We hope that this was helpful. Thank you for watching.